Take a ride in the 2022 X5. The BMW X5 is an award-winning performance, space, and efficiency vehicle. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, electronic stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CarFax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CarFax Buyback Guarantee.